If you are interested in how to improve your listening skill that fast, then this video is for you. Please continue watching. Hi and welcome to Shanda's English Home. In this home we learn English together as family members through easy and simple ways. In today's video we are going to talk about 5 tips to improve your listening skill. So let's get started. 1. Listen to the podcast. Choose the podcast that you are interested in and try to listen to it. Trust me guys, this tip has helped me so much with my listening skill and I'm still doing it. The good news here is that you don't practice only your listening but also your pronunciation, because you hear words and phrases and you learn how people pronounce them. So 3 things at the same time, so that's fantastic. And if you're doing this for 2 or 3 months, you're going to be amazed at how quickly your listening is becoming. 2. Listen to the same podcast every day for a week. Listen to the same podcast that you are interested in every single day for a week. So remember that practice makes perfect. So try to listen to the same podcast every day and pick out words and phrases that are difficult for you to understand and look them up. But don't forget to hit pause and listen again. You will be able to understand them incredibly. For the people who don't have time to listen to the podcast, here is my solution for you. Try to listen to the podcast while you are driving or riding on pause, or even when you're washing dishes, and this is what I'm doing the most of the time. 3. Watch movies. If you really want to improve your listening skill or even your English, you have to watch movies. Lots and lots of movies. So what I'm like here is while you have fun, you learn. So fun and learn, this is an amazing way of learning. So watching movies might help you to improve your English that fast because you practice everything. So you're listening, vocabulary here, either new words, and you practice your pronunciation, your grammar. So watching movies is very important and such an amazing way to improve your English that fast. 4. Watch movies without subtitles. If you really want to benefit from watching movies, you have to watch movies without subtitles. So we have to turn subtitles off because here if you turn subtitles on, you focus more on the text below and you forget about listening. So here, you want to improve your listening, so you have to listen more than reading. But in case you don't understand something, you don't understand what is going on, and if you are curious like me, I tend to understand everything in the film, and to feel the story, I turn subtitles on in case I don't understand what is going on. But actually, I don't focus more on the text. I listen more than I read. And if I say subtitles, I mean subtitles in your target language, and our target language here is English. Don't use subtitles in your native language. This is a worst mistake. Please don't do it. Now let's move up to the last one but not least. Listen to the music. This step is a little bit similar to the first one, listen to the podcast. So here you have also to pick out words and phrases that are difficult for you to understand and look them up and try to listen again and again. And in case you don't understand something, you can use the lyrics without specific music. So read the lyrics and listen again until you understand everything. This is all for this video. I just want to add one thing, is that we're all different. We all have different clothes, different thoughts, even learning styles. So choose the tip or the method that works for you and try to practice it. But if they all work for you, then congratulations. Practice them all. You will soon be amazing. Don't forget to subscribe so you confirm that you are a new member of our family. Please, let's grow it up. And don't forget also to hit the notification bell so you will be the first one to receive our new homes, tips, and lessons. And if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It's very much appreciated to encourage me to produce more videos like that. And if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I will respond to you as soon as I can. And I will leave also my social media accounts link. So feel free to ask me whatever you want and whenever you want. I will be at your service and I will answer you as possible as I can. Thank you so much for watching. See you next video with new tips and lessons.